It's done!
It's the first time we didn't get the year wrong. Maybe because we knew something big was coming this year. Maybe because this year would change everything.
So first we wanted to explain what changed in our lives. 2024, Peter and I moved together into another flat, and after 1 year living there, we've realized we didn't live there. From 12 months in this flat, we actually spent 5 months somewhere else, traveling, visiting our families. We downsized even more and we moved to another house, to another part of Austria, because we moved to Peter's home, the house Peter grew up in. Yeah, we kind of renovated a few rooms.
We finally had space to build a studio, my dream studio actually.
And we also got very clear of where we wanted to spend our future, and currently there's no way we're gonna leave Austria, because whenever we're traveling, we're like super happy, and actually we appreciate our Austrian citizenship.
Yes.
Because it really means a lot for us. Like we have a great social system, people are discussing about pension and stuff, but hey, at least like we have pension.
Yeah.
We have like 5 weeks holidays every year. So in other countries, like for example in Switzerland, or I think even in Spain, there's like not that much social net around the people living in this country. So yeah, we'll definitely stay in Austria, but we would also like to build another homes, like kind of a part-time home in other countries. For example, I would really love living in Sweden for...
Would love
Yes,
in Sweden.
we would love to live in Sweden, because like in the summer, in Austria, the summer is like really hot. Speaking just for us, we don't enjoy spending summers outside in Austria that much. So yeah, the weather in Sweden is just perfect for us. Also, winter in Austria, everywhere I guess with climate change, like it changed, and the winters in Sweden or like Scandinavia, it's so good. It's like, it's cold, but it's like it doesn't feel a lot more cold than back home in Austria, but it's just like this beautiful winter wonderland, and the
it's
landscape.
cozy inside.
We've tried it, and maybe you've watched this video from our last trip to Lapland, so that's definitely part of our future, but it's not just that. Peter just fell into the pool.
I'm back.
So So in the future, we'd like to make more valuable and helpful content, and therefore we'd like to ask you guys for your support. So please subscribe to our channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and share our videos if you like them with your community, with your friends and family, because it really supports what we're doing, so we can create even more content for you.
And if you are waiting for a change or wanting to make a change and don't know how to make the change, here are 5 basic habits to
make that change happen.
Be thankful. Every evening, make it a habit to name at least 3 things you were thankful for today. Big or small, it doesn't matter. This simple routine will shift your focus. After a few weeks, you'll notice something powerful. You start attracting more and more good things. You'll become a magnet for opportunities, joy, and growth.
Knowledge is power. Exchange watching TV for 30 to 60 minutes a day to learn something new. Read a book, take a course, learn a new language, explore a hobby, whatever it is, invest in yourself, because knowledge travels with you wherever you go.
Choose growth over comfort. Growth rarely begins within comfort zones. Small, consistent steps every day create a massive change over time. You don't need to do everything. Just be consistent in doing something and make it a habit getting out of your comfort zone.
Create a growth environment. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Yes, letting go takes courage, and it's never easy. But gossip boys,
And girls,
naysayers, and doubters won't allow you to dream big. They can't support your growth journey. So choose wisely and surround yourself with your biggest cheerleaders and people who inspire you.
coming to the last habit. Money mindset. First, save or pay back debts. Second, downsize fixed costs. Here you gotta do some work and learn where your money actually goes. Third, create space for investing and fun. So save, reduce costs and invest. And enjoy what's left.
And always remember, life is easier when you keep it simple.